Okay, we're gonna start testing a compressor on a fridge, a true fridge that is having problems and tripping the breaker. So this particular model is having a short right now on the compressor. So we're about to show you how to test that problem. Make sure you zoom in. Now, we're supposed to get readings on these pins, but these pins cannot give a reading when you put one of these pins right onto the body of the compressor. Okay, if it does anything, if this changes at all, when you connect to one of these pins, the body of the compressor is shorted out to one of the lines, so it needs to be replaced, and it's shorted. Okay, so that's how you test it. Normally every time you do this and you test all three pins, nothing happens. When this happens, it's a bad compressor, so it's time to replace it.